Namaste friends, this is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This video pertains to letter B in Filet Crochet. The first row is done as 61 DCs. So you can either do the chain method or the chainless method. Second, third and fourth, one solid square on either side and 18 open squares. And the fifth row starts from right to left, one solid square, 4 open squares, 3 solid square, 4 open squares, 3 solid square, 4 open square and 1 solid square. Sixth row from left to right, 1 solid square, 3 open squares, 1 solid, 3 open, 1 solid, 2 open, 1 solid, 3 open, 1 solid, 3 open, 1 solid. Seventh row starts from the right, 1 solid, 3 open, 2 solids, 1 open, 1 solid, 2 open, 2 solids, 1 open, 1 solid, 1 open, 1 solid, 3 open and 1 solid. And the eighth one, left to right, 1 solid, 4 open, 1 solid, 3 open, 2 solids, 3 open, 2 solids, 3 open, 1 solid. Ninth from right to left, 1 solid, 4 open, 2 solids, 2 open, 2 solids, 8 open and 1 solid. 10th one left to right. So 1 solid, 7 open, 1 solid, 1 open, 2 solids, 2 open, 2 solids, 3 open and 1 solid. 11th one, solid, 1 solid square, 3 open squares, 1 solid square, 3 open squares, 1 solid square, 3 open squares, 1 solid square and 6 open squares and 1 solid square. Okay, the next one, 1 solid, 6 open, 1 solid, 4 open, 1 solid, 1 open, 2 solids, 3 open and 1 solid. The 13th one, 1 solid, 4 open, 7 solids, 7 open and 1 solid. The next 14, 15 and 16 are 1 solid on either side of the rows and 18 open shells, and the 17th row it is 20 solid squares, that is 61 DCs again. We began with 61 and with 61 DCs. So this is the calculation and the pattern instruction for letter B. The written instruction you will find in the description box. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. I'm signing off from Magic Needles now. We'll meet you with letter C.